Made it out here to Mid-Michigan Mayhem. Great event so far. Lots of awesome trucks, awesome burnouts. Having a great time. We got the burnout truck unloaded, put her down in the burnout pit. Unfortunately, we had a catastrophic turbo failure about 45 seconds into the burnout. Turbine shaft split in half, and apparently the manifold caught fire. They said it was glowing red. We got the truck back in the pit, pulled the turbine, the compressor housing off, but it was completely sheared in half, so we're not going to try and save it. But we're going to get it back home, get it loaded up on the trailer, but we're still going to enjoy this nice show. So check out some of this footage of the awesome trucks that we got to see out here at Mid-Michigan Mayhem. Thanks for your kind donation, Jack, of these wonderful tires. I will give you tires back that hole there. Deal? They will hold air. They will have no tread. It's basically like what you gave me.
Looking like that.
Yeah, I mean, the ones you're giving me had no tread anyway, so leave them all vertical. They fit better. We can fit 6 in here. We've got this down to a science.
When we get there, we're gonna unload the hole.
No, I'll leave them in here tonight. When you see someone pull up with this, you know they came to party. Like you see some dude with a clapped out bed, 1,500 horsepower worth of stickers in the back window. He's like, oh, this guy knows what's up.
Red tire.
And a red tire that holds a little. Did we throw a little bit of air in that or not? I'll just hook the Milwaukee up to it and let it run for like 10 minutes tomorrow. Just get something. Perfect. Bazinga. Hey, you want to pull this out the way?
Just whips it.
Yeah. It's just
Like that. Check it in, gold?
Yeah, I've got a gold, and then can I buy another silver today?
Yes. What's your name?
Nathaniel Smith.
Gotcha.
Smith.
They sent them there. They're coming.
Yeah, I can make it. The gold one will be for the blue 6.4. This will be the silver one. No test burnouts tonight?
No, fuck check that. For the doctor that owns the property right there.
Oh.
Otherwise, we would definitely be doing that. Yeah, the burnout line will be right there, so this will be good stuff.
All the rules of an OBS 7.3 body. Well, here's the truck.
Truck 96.
Yeah.
06 frame and a 03 engine.
They don't start the burnout pit until 2 o'clock.
That just looks awesome. You see all these trucks and you're like, whoa, he's got tires. That's dope.
That just means she came to party.
The tires chatted up with.
All right there. I see one right there. Oh yeah.
Okay. He took the tonneau cover off. With the Hellcat badge.
Should I do that to mine?
Yeah.
That'd be cool.
Number B truck, Chevy, would use it. He said his goal is to blow it up.
Yeah, they're just bolts. They're just bolts. Yeah. Duramax, you might have to rivet it. I don't know. Like FP, there's definitely a higher caliber of truck. Like the whole like intersection is just like SEMA truck.
I think the caliber looks fine on this.
That's not me.
That's kind of cool.
I'm kind of thinking I need bigger. Oh no, that's what I have. 20. Those are 24 by 14s. I thought those were 26s. Bagged. This is the wrapping I want to put on mine.
On blue?
Yeah.
Their color is really
That's what I was waiting for. It looks pretty clean.
I like the teal color.
Yeah,
Goes good with the white. Oh, so this is how much coolant you can see with that. This thing is a fresh build. Powder's all nice and everything. Or it just doesn't leak.
Yeah, that's a good build right there.
Catch can.
Yep.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's clean. These things are burnout menaces. Like,
They're super lightweight.
yeah, no weight in the back, extremely high RPM. I want to find an old Ford Ranger and drop a Chevy 350 in it or something.
Like the one I had.
Yeah.
What do you think? 150 and the 472?
I don't know. That is 900 horse, so steed speed, 472.
Do you see the what's up on T-Flex? My 900 horsepower Cummins. No well, no price can't drive.
Yeah.
You like the half chrome, half blue?
It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
I should let her sign the side of the bed with the grinder.
No.
Dude,
that'd be slick.
That'd be great.
You have a grinder?
No. She probably has
Nice
one.
signature, too.
That's like her signature thing.
You got a flathead screwdriver.
Well, she does it with a actual grinder, like that's her thing.
No. That's right. Good beer.
Huh? Go get a beer.
Not too early.
When you don't have a wife, you can do anything you want.
Almost.
Hey, you have a grinder to sign a truck?
Not yet. I will later.
Yeah. If you want to sign our burnout truck, you can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where's that at?
It's over here. It's
Okay.
right. It's this one lane over.
Okay.
You want to sign the bed's
I'll
kind
be
of
doing it later. I'm
Yeah.
sure. So stop by later and tell me. I'll have
Alright.
one.
Sounds good.
Alrighty.
You want to sign this?
Sure.
You got to pick which side, passenger or driver.
What? Probably driver's side.
Shirts are so hard to do, but I'm gonna do my best.
That's right.
Here you go.
Cool. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Where's the dually at?
Oh, right here. One, two. I got the red one over there.
The tow pig?
Yep. I just finished this one, so I was like, oh, I'll just bring it.
Yeah. What year is that one?
The 14.
Okay. Stock?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just put a lift on it.
Yeah.
Wheels, so I'm gonna delete it when I get back. 'Cause,
Yeah.
You know.
Gotta do that.
And color match.
Is it auto?
Yeah.
Yeah.
ASIN. So it's ASIN.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, we see a ton of problems with the 68s coming through our shop. Yeah.
One. No thanks.
We just did a 48. We bought a 2021, put compounds on it,
Yeah.
and then we did a 48 swap from Fire Punk because the 68 that was in it, the whole bell housing cracked.
Oh my
Yeah, it made like 1,240 horse, and we smoked the overdrive clutches. We pulled it back out, and then we were gonna rebuild it again, and we had it on the bench, and we're like, what is the whole inside where the converter goes was cracked all the way around. So I was like, screw it. 68s are junk anyway.
Yeah.
So I was like, we just pulled it out and ordered a 48 swap from Fire Punk. So we'll probably.
Finally, they got rid of the 68.
I know.
We'll see how that goes.
Fire Punk's already working on like a swap kit for the
Really?
ZF. Yeah. So we might try one of those out.
That'll be an unstoppable truck for sure.
Yeah.
So.
But yeah,
I hope to
I'll
sign
try and
that
find
later.
I'll try and find you later. If you see us in the burnout pit or something, be
Okay.
like, I got a grinder. All right.
I'll be here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See you. Yeah.
It's got 6-4 starter, I think 7.3 alternator, and
Oh, it's all.
it keeps blowing turbos.
Oh yeah.
Last year, we got stuck just off the exit up here getting off the bird truck because it died,
Oh really?
and then got it here, recharged it halfway back to Lindsay. He lost all power, no gauges,
Yeah.
had foot braking everywhere, no lights at all. He's like, oh, I don't know what to do, and I was like, hammer down and get home.
Yeah. might be a while till we get up there, but
Hey, that's fun, man.
hop in with us.
Oh yeah.
What did people do beforehand? Power tools. Man, that would have been a half-hour job. Once you start it, it snowballs.
Like a train morphine.
Huh?
Like a train morphine.
Yeah.
We got plenty left, dude.
Oh yeah.
Dude, there's so much tire. You want to do one more?
Yeah. You made it this long.
We just sent her a little too hard.
First hit in the burnout pit, and we had some popping noises. She did good for what, 30 seconds? She was laying a pretty good heater. Then we heard a little pop, truck stalled out,
And then
and she was smoking a little bit. So we first turbo failure on the single turbo 6.4.
your intake's not supposed to look like that.
But I don't think that turbo's supposed to do that.
It's the constantly variable turbine check.
We turned it into a naturally aspirated diesel. So I think we're gonna call it a day and get this thing ready for next weekend. Gonna order a new turbo. Know anybody with an S400 V-band?
We know a S480 V-band.
That's too big.
Sell that one?
The 472 is 468.
Which one did you just put on its car?
480.
472. Am I on video right now?
Yeah.
Do I take my shirt off?
I mean, I can't stop you if you want to, but
Can you see this?
yeah, it's a little warm, but
Was that 472?
it was a 467.